hard to figure out areas in your planter pots or maybe hanging baskets on the front of your house where you're just not sure how to get water to them? We run into that all the time, and we deal with it constantly with some of our clients of figuring out how do we water things that may not have power or things that we may not have a very good water source to get water there too. And how do we go about that? And so we've got another option. So we've always looked at electronics, and we've always looked at gizmos and gadgets that you put on sprinklers and all that. But we've found and had the opportunity to try a solar-powered irrigation system. And so, as you can see, this is a irrigation system that we've been able to pick up. This product is called Solar Powered Drip Irrigation. And we can attach maybe the link to the information for you. But this particular one uses solar power, which is kind of cool because what happens is you put the, this is the solar panel. As you can see, this has to be out in the sun. And then at the top of it, you'll see that there is there's some options up here, and one is power. One is, so you can turn it on manually. You can turn it on for however long you want to run it for. So like if you want to run it for 20 minutes, you can click that. And then how often you want to run it. So like if you want to run it every 6 hours, every 2 hours, every 4 hours, you have that ability to be able to do that by using that. And so what this does, kind of cool, is it has an in and out line at the bottom. So what you would do is you take this big huge coil of pipe, you would stick one end in the out and one end in the in. And then what you would do with that is you have to put a filter on there. And so you're going to put this in a cup of water or a bottle of water or a bucket of water. And so what you could have is you could have this set up on the side of the house, have this in a bucket of water. And so the tube comes up and it goes to the end side. And then you would have this hose, and then you have these really cool little stakes. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a gap in between those. And so the line comes in here, the pipe goes on there like that, and then you have this, and the water actually drips out of that so that it actually gets into the root zone. So we're not putting water on top of the plants, we're putting it in the root zone where it needs to be. And so this is a really cool, simple way to do that. And then you have, in this particular packet, you have a number of these, and you have a good amount of tubing. And so you can put this in multiple pots along the way. It comes with splitters. In this particular one, it has some different splitters where you can put, you can have it where it tees off, and then it can go down to a pot, go down to the next pot, go down to the next pot. And so you have these stuck in there. And when it comes on, it turns on all of those pots, and then they drip for however long you need it to drip. And then you use, the thing about it is you use this to get that water. So this goes in the bottom of your pot. It has a little filter on it to keep all the trash and debris out. And then it sucks it up. It uses a siphon system, sucks it up, pumps it out, and then irrigates all of your planter pots. So really cool, kind of interesting technology that's out there, something kind of neat and new on the market. And so kind of keep your eye out for it. You know, we're always looking for the best and the new improved and the most cost-effective way to keep those plants alive. And this might just be that option for you. This would be great. I don't know that I would probably want to do this forever on my plants, but if I was going on vacation and I was dependent on the little kid down the street to come water my plants, this might be another good alternative to that, to make sure little Johnny does water your plants while you're gone. And so check this out. Go on the Facebook link or a video link to see those particular ones. And if you have some really cool or really interesting ways that you water your irrigation or your plants in your garden, give us a shout, post a picture, send it to us. Let us see how creative you've become in combating the whole issue of summer heat and no irrigation.